In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to plot a bar chart in Excel. So we can start off by highlighting all of our data here, and we can come over to Insert. Once we come over to Insert, we can come to this little drop down of bar charts. We could either do a 2D column, 3D column, 2D bar, 3D bar, etc. Now in this case, we're going to do a 3D bar, and we can drag it down here. Now up here, we could see it gives us options of things to change right away, and let's start off with this one. So now that we have this chart with a different theme, we can press up into here, and that'll open our chart elements. Now, the first thing we'll do is we'll tick data table, because this now allows us to see a table of our data here. And we'll tick on a legend as well, so we can see what we're looking at. We could also change this name up here, and we can name this employees, for example. Now, after changing the chart title, we can come over here and we can see any other customizations we would like. For example, if we go over to more options, we can see we can change all of this stuff with the data labels. Now we could also switch the row and column if we would like. And that's a simple introduction on how to plot bar charts in Excel.